This is actually our rental car. Just kidding. Classic, beautiful, restored white walls. Sick. Damn. That is classic, man. Here's a rental. Just kidding. I don't see any M or any GTRs on the island, but I see M4. Nice. Clean.
Local comfort food.
Okay. Wow, look at that.
Breakfast, coconut cream pancakes, macadamia nut
Wow.
pancakes.
You want to try that?
Yeah, house favorite. Lechon,
Oh,
bone-in kalbi, short ribs.
is that it? Oh, there's more.
Wow.
Local mocha.
There's local mocos here. There's pokies too. You want poke then?
What have you ordered?
Some type of beef short ribs with rice and mac and salad, with mac salad, and loco moco sauce.
Yum. I got some kind of a loco moco. And then she got... Yeah, man. Pork, spam. What is this? Oh, okay. Never mind.
So good.
This is so good. This is like a 10 out of 10. Your first time trying a loco moco?
Yeah.
Wow. So good. She ate all of my food. Which one did you like better?
Yours. Because it was like all kinds of meat and goodness. There was like shredded pork. There was 2 slices of spam. There was like a hamburger patty in there. There was over easy egg. There was like fried chicken katsu over like that fried rice. Oh my god.
Just whenever you're ready, take your time.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
That's what you think, bro.
So cool. It's like cool.
So we're gonna take the thing. So here's what we ordered. Wow, a bunch of wrappers. Anyway, just see you later. Dang. Blueberry. Wow, for one day, bunch of fast. Strawberry. Chocolate. And this. She also got ice cream. What is this?
Macadamia.
Good?
Yeah, really creamy and rich. Flavor. The Bismarck.
Go for it.
This is the type of donut you like.
Yep. Not that really holy crap.